Hello my gorgeous glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing with you 2 ideas on how to set your table for this Easter Spring 2022. I will also be sharing with you this absolutely beautiful and elegant bowls I got sent by the company Malacasa. So without further ado, here it goes. A very Easter spring table decor, a glam style. Alright my ladies, so I would like to begin by showing you how well packaged this company sends their products to certify you a great shopping experience when you order from them. These bowls are made with high quality ceramic and a smooth glaze that gives them that high-end luxurious look that we're all looking for. They're easy to clean, microwave, dishwasher, and oven safe for up to 240 degrees Celsius and 464 Fahrenheit. These bowls are in the smaller medium size, which makes them easy to stack and space saving. These bowls are from Amazon and I will be leaving the link in the description of this video. So be sure to check them out.
$2,000 later.
So here's everything that I'm going to be using, and as you can see, everything is like super sparkling. I'm gonna begin by showing you the table runner right here, and then we have our little placemats full of glitter. Over here we have our charger plates. This is DIY that we did last year. I believe it was for summer. And then over here I have my plates that I'm going to be using. They're white and they have that same silver color in the rim. And then over here we have our little bowls, super cute. And then over here I have this words that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's a pack of 8. There's 2 of each in the package. And then I have this beautiful napkin rings. They're bunnies. They're $5.99, but I got them at 40% off. And then right here I have my napkins. As you can see, they have that silver line that matches perfectly well with everything. I got them for $6.99 at Ross. And then I have these little bunnies that I got at Target for $3, I believe, for both of them. And then right here I have this candle holders with the candles, and then I just added that lilac little ribbon with the butterfly. Over here I have this eggs full of glitter and flowers. These I paid $12.99 at Marshall's. And right along this side I have this gorgeous little arrangement that I did with white and lilac hydrangeas. I can't speak today. But yeah, so I got this bowl, this little container at Marshall's last year around the Christmas time, and I thought it would go perfectly well with the eggs. Look at this gorgeous little flower, and it matches perfectly well with the flowers on the eggs. And then I just added that little touch of Easter with the little ears. Those I got them at Michael's, I believe, a couple years ago. So now that I've shown you everything that I'm going to be using, it's time to start decorating.
For this idea, I wanted to share with you how easy it is to make a rose out of your napkin by just using a fork. Basically, you just place the fork in the middle of your napkin and start twisting. This is an absolutely very easy way to give your plate setting that touch of spring. This is one of my favorite ways to use my napkins when I'm using bowls. For the second idea, I'm going to be removing any decor pieces related to Easter. This next idea is for those of you who don't like to decorate with eggs, bunnies, or anything of that matter. And here's where I say goodbye, my dolls. I hope I gave you some inspiration to decorate your table for this Easter Spring 2022. And as usual, love you, God bless you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape.